Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 10 on row level security. Alright, so here is the question. Which of the following statement is true about dynamic RLS or row level security? A. Dynamic RLS uses static filter. Dynamic RLS uses text expression to filter data based on the user. Dynamic RLS cannot be implemented in Power BI, and dynamic RLS is the same as static RLS. So this is a tricky question, right? You should know what is static and dynamic RLS and then figure out which statement is true from these four statements. So these type of checking is being done in the Power BI certification series, and what I have done is similar to question like this. What I have done is created a Power Bank, the data bank or the question bank where I have the 60 questions, right? So that way you can check your skills into the Power BI service, security, data modeling, visualization, DAX, and things like those, right? So this is a paid question bank which you can buy and test your skills and really figure it out where you are standing. So link for this is present in the description. Along with this, couple of other links are present in the description for my private group which you can join to get more announcements and details, as well as the link where I keep all of my videos. So wanted to give all of that information so that you can get the maximum knowledge related to what I have in the Power BI as I'm sharing. With that, thank you so much. I will meet in the new video with a new topic.